Mccaig'S Tower is a prominent tower that sits upon Battery Hill overlooking the town of Oban. It is built within a circumference of about 200 metres with two tiers of 94 lancet arches. The tower was built by local banker John Stuart Mccaig. The aim of the tower was to provide work for the local stonemasons and also be a lasting monument to the Mccaig family. The structure was commissioned at a cost of £5,000 sterling, which is the equivalent to roughly £700,000 in today's money. John Stuart Mccaig was his own architect for the tower. He was also an admirer of Roman and Greek architecture, which he had planned for an elaborate structure based on the Colosseum within Rome. From the tower, we get some spectacular views across the Oban Bay as well as some of the Atlantic islands. These islands include Carrera, Lismore and Mull. Inside the tower there are the gardens, which are well maintained and offer a little peaceful escape. However, he had plans to have a museum and art gallery within the centre of the tower, as well as a statue of himself, his siblings, and their parents. But unfortunately, with his death at the age of 78, brought on by cardiac arrest, brought end to its construction. We hope you've enjoyed today's video here at Mccaig'S Tower. It was to be built as a lasting legacy to a man's family, and now it sits dominant over the small town of Oban where he was from. If you have enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe for more of Scotland's historical places, and until next time, Alba go bra.